Well, I've reached my breaking point with the mosquitoes. They're so bad, I have to spray. Alright, let's get this mower off and the big tool rack on. Get these invaders, these damn mosquitoes. They're so bad right now, I can't even describe it. There we go. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. Thanks. Look at all the mosquitoes following the dog. I gotta spray tonight. It is just almost unbearable to be outside. This is pretty much how we have to take the dog for walks. Pants, long sleeves, face covering. Otherwise you're getting smoked by mosquitoes. We've had so much rain that both the Iowa River and the Mississippi are flooded. And we basically live right by the confluence. And we live on a bluff above the Iowa River, and there is a wetland slough in between us. Mosquitoes have plenty of places to breed. Out of all the places I've lived and visited, this property right here is the worst mosquitoes I've ever encountered. Alright, I'm going to tell you about my sprayer from the safety of my air-conditioned cab, which feels amazing right now, and I'm not being swarmed by mosquitoes. 2 thumbs up for the cab. So the sprayer that I have is a Chapin mix-on exit. So in the big main tank, you just put straight water. I also have been putting some marking dye in there for when I was spraying weeds, but it's just left over from last year. And then the smaller tank is for your chemical. I have 2 different small tanks, one's for herbicide and the other's for insecticide. So the really nice thing about this mix-on exit spray tank is you do not have to clean your main tank because all it contains is straight water. So you don't have to do a full-on cleaning between herbicide and insecticide or whatever else you're going to be spraying. One thing I do, however, in between different chemicals is I'll rinse the hose out completely. I'll just run water through it for a couple of minutes and then it should be fine. Alright, so tonight it's time to spray these mosquitoes. I got Annie in the cab, tractor driving. I'm going to sit on the tailgate of the big tool rack and let's spray some mosquitoes and hopefully, ow, I'm being bit by 2 of them right now. They're horrible, horrible, horrible.
Doing the chemicals. You know what? If this gives me cancer, I don't care. I'd rather be mosquito free when I'm able to walk around outside. I'll take the chemicals. Looks like he's ready to go. Now we just wait for the signal. That's the signal. It's part parking brake off, and away we go. Back up a little bit, actually. Then we crank around. Die, devil bugs. Die.
Okay, the day after spraying for mosquitoes, there are hardly any mosquitoes bothering us or chasing after the dog. We don't have to have our head nets on. Ah, so much better. We're even in the heart of the woods where they were really thick. We sprayed for mosquitoes the other day, and look what we have. Pollinators. They're everywhere also.
Yeah!
3 cats. And a dog. And an Annie. And a coyote. Hey, Leaf. They're so cute. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for my next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.